lot going on. I'm 6 boards short on a floor. Thanksgiving's coming, the materials. Opening day at Sugar Bowl, man, awesome.
Been a long summer.
What is this guy skiing with the dog? All right, it's on.
Everybody's got to get
Carrying his dog?
first terms of the season.
Chair to the left. Grab that over there. The sun's on it, perfect. JD Osborne 101.5 FM, and I'm with John Munson from Sugar Bowl. It's on like Donkey Kong. It's opening day. John, tell us all about all the new stuff here at Sugar Bowl.
Well, it's our 70th season of skiing and riding at Top Donner Summit. We're kicking it off today, November 25th. $39 tickets, $29 for young adults and seniors. Come on out. We got 2 lifts spinning. Going to be a great time, and new things for the season. We got the Summit Chair that's going to be opening up later this season for skiing and riding in the Judah Bowl. Great powder skiing. You can also access the backside so you can get your lake run in, and with that comes the Backcountry Adventure Center. So we're going to be doing a lot of educational programs and powder skiing outings. So if you ever wanted to get in the know about how to use a beacon, how to safely travel in the backcountry, we're going to be taking skiers and riders out there, teaching them all about it. Also, this being an Olympic year with the 2010 Vancouvers, we're going to be putting a skier cross course over on the Tunnel 41 chair.
Oh yeah.
U.S. ski team's going to come out and train. Darren Ralves, our own Darren Ralves, is going to be training there, greatly increasing the chances of a podium finish for the U.S. in the ski cross discipline. Jason Hale for border cross. So, a lot of stuff going on here at Sugar Bowl. Season passes are on sale. You can get yourself a daily core pass and save $10 off tickets all season long. Great stuff.
The whole deal, you name it. That one thing though that I'm really stoked about is that new Summit Chair and Mr. Darren Rawls, because he's America's hopeful right here from Sugar Bowl, and will he win the Golden Skier Cross? We'll find out on February 21st, everybody. So great season ahead of us. It's on. What do you say we make some turns, man?
Great.
All right.